Hello, fellow YouTubians. It's a beautiful sunset. It's about 7 o'clock or so, 7:15. Gonna be dark pretty soon. So, heading out to eat. Going to the Olive Garden. So it's like 74 degrees, and around here we've been getting down the 50s already. So there's not very many weekends left. The farmers are getting in their fields, getting their crops out. There's a lot of fields getting empty today. I took about a 120-mile road trip today. I went to a Indian powwow. It was not what I expected at all. There was like hardly anybody there. So it was kind of a waste of $5 to even get in. I mean, there were some shops set up, and I got a nasty hot dog and some crappy onion rings for $9. But, you know, maybe a few years ago when there was more people, it would have been a little more entertaining, but it was a waste of effort. But at least I can say I've been. Then I took off another, about 50-some miles to Marshall, Illinois. They had a car show, and it was their autumn festival. And yeah, lots of cars, classics, you know, 60, 70. And of course, you know, now everybody puts in brand new cars. Or there's a 1986 Pontiac Grand Prix or Grand Am. They're the same thing. But yeah, I had pink hubcaps and a pink grille. So I guess they figured that was car show worthy. But for the most part, they were classic cars. There were some blowers and turbos, and it was pretty cool. Had a couple food vendors. I got me a lemonade shake-up, and it was the nastiest thing I ever had in my life. Those lemons, I think, were molded. It was bad. And I got a corn dog. I can't turn down the corn dogs. But it was really neat. It was a neat festival. All sorts of homemade stuff, and just it was worth going. So then I took off and headed down towards the Asian massage parlor, and I texted her and she was not there. So I went home, sat down, watched some TV, and now I'm headed to Olive Garden. You know, there was like 3 things I wanted to do today, and I wanted to make sure I got some bike riding in. Because it's supposed to start storming all week from the leftover from the hurricane out in the Carolinas. And temperatures are dropping. We're going to lose about 15 degrees during the day starting tomorrow. So, Old Man Winter. He is a knockin'. So for those of you in the Terre Haute area, if anybody watches this video and is even from around Terre Haute, next Saturday they're doing a Toys for Tots run at Wabash, Cannonball, Harley Davidson. I don't know, they're changing names. The Harley Davidson shop in town, in Terre Haute. September 27th. I think. It's on Facebook. You can find it. So, as long as it's not storming, I will be there. work is starting to calm down a little bit. I've got a big hard drive, external hard drive, packed full of video from the last 2 years, I think. So you're going to start seeing it. I've either got to just delete it and throw it away, or I need to use it. So winter's coming. I got plenty of footage to get me through winter. Hopefully I can pick up a few more subscribers and a couple more views. Kind of suffering this year pretty bad. So I'll start getting them out like I used to, and if it don't pick up, then hell, I might just give all this up and just ride. Not worry about doing any vlogs. I notice there's some people in the area here that I follow. I'm not seeing anything. You know, I don't know if everybody's giving up on it. I mean, it sure as hell don't pay much. That's for sure. Used to I was getting about a tank of gas a month off of it. But they've done that monetization stuff, and you gotta have what is it, 1,000 subscribers or 100? I've been stuck at 36 for months. So, you know, if this channel don't pick up a little bit, I'm just going to be done with it, because it's just, I don't know. I enjoy doing it. You know, maybe if I start putting more out there, I'll get more views. I'll try it. You know, if I don't pick up a couple dozen by next spring, then I probably won't even do this anymore. It's just, you know, the focus on what people on YouTube watch, it just, man, it just jumps. So, and I know that I don't have like super interesting content. You know, it's just, there's not much going on here. I don't have anybody else around here to ride with, so, you know, no funny shit ever happens. Or hardly ever happens. So yeah, I'll keep trying to put stuff out, and we'll just see where it goes. Woo, stuffed belly! But I stopped at half a plate, so I had room for Starbucks. I mean, it is Sunday.